What states don't have income tax? Welcome to the New Rich Guide, where people learn how to build wealth in this digital age. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today we will be going over which states in the US don't have an income tax. In no particular order, we will list off all 9 states. Make sure to stick till the end for a bonus. Number 9, Alaska. Alaska is known for its nature and landscapes. Because the oil and gas industry is the largest component of Alaska's economy. The state of Alaska currently does not have an individual income tax, therefore no employee withholding for state income tax is required. Nearly 85% of the state budget is supplied by oil revenues. If you want to see beautiful blue ice that's thousands of years old and has no income tax, then a trip to Alaska might be the way to go. Number 8, Florida. Florida is famous for its beaches, theme parks, natural sceneries, and orange orchards. This East Coast home of Mickey Mouse is known for its natural beauty, such as the Florida Everglades. It is called the Sunshine State for its abundant sunshine and generally warmer subtropical climate. There is no personal income tax in Florida. Florida relies on sales taxes and property taxes that are above the national average. Number 7, Nevada. Nicknamed the Silver State, Nevada is the largest gold-producing state in the US and 4th largest in the world. America's largest silver deposit, the Comstock Lode, was found in Nevada in 1859. Nevada is also the gambling and entertainment capital of the United States. While tourists come to Nevada to gamble and experience Las Vegas, Nevada residents pay no personal income tax, no corporate tax, no franchise taxes, and no inventory tax. Number 6, New Hampshire. It's commonly known as the Granite State for its extensive granite formations and quarries. Each year, the New Hampshire maple industry produces close to 90,000 gallons of maple syrup. It takes about 40 gallons of sap to make 1 gallon of pure maple syrup. New Hampshire has no income tax on wages, though the state does charge a 5% tax on income from interest and dividends. The state also has no sales tax. However, homeowners in New Hampshire pay the 4th highest average effective property tax rate in the country. Number 5, South Dakota. Home to Mount Rushmore and the Badlands, the state is known for tourism and agriculture. South Dakota routinely ranks among the top 10 states for the production of hay, sunflowers, rye, honey, soybeans, corn, wheat, and cattle. South Dakota has no personal income tax. The state's sales tax is also among the lowest in the country. However, the average effective property tax rate in South Dakota is above the national average. Before we move on to number 4, make sure to hit the like button to help this video get more exposure. Number 4, Tennessee. Green, rolling hills, surrounding winding roads, and rural forests alongside the many rivers and lakes make up much of the state. Its capital, centrally located in Nashville, is the heart of the country music scene. There is no income tax on wages in Tennessee. It does have, however, a flat 1 to 2% tax rate that applies to income earned from interest and dividends. Number 3, Texas. Texas is known as the Lone Star State and is famous for its barbecue, live music, hot temperatures, and more. It is the 2nd largest US state by both area and population. Texas has no state income tax, which means your salary is only subject to federal income taxes if you live and work in Texas. Sales taxes in Texas are over 8% on average. The average effective property tax rate is 1.69%, which is the 7th highest in the US. Number 2, Wyoming. Rugged landscapes and some of the world's greatest wilderness areas. Wyoming is known for its famous national parks, diverse wildlife, prairie and cowboy towns, pioneer museums, and hot springs. Wyoming has no personal income tax. The state will also not tax any form of retirement income. This includes Social Security retirement benefits. Property taxes and sales taxes in Wyoming are also among the lowest in the country. Number 1, Washington. Washington is known for being the birthplace of Starbucks, for its football team, and for being rugged and stunningly beautiful. While it can be a little cold and rainy, Washington State is one of the most beautiful locations in the Northwest. Washington has no income tax, and there are no cities in the state that have local income taxes either. Social Security, pensions, and retirement accounts are all tax-free in Washington. Also, no corporate tax. Sales tax rates are quite high and property tax rates are about average. The state's base sales tax rate is 6.5%. But since cities and counties collect additional sales taxes on top of that rate, rates are typically at least 8%, and sometimes higher than 10%. As promised for watching until the end, here is a bonus. Puerto Rico. Okay, we knew Puerto Rico is not a state. It is a Caribbean island and unincorporated U.S. territory. Puerto Rico is known for its beautiful beaches and miles of sandy shores. Puerto Rico can be a tax haven for entrepreneurs, investors, and traders. The island offers a corporate tax rate in the single digits and capital gains taxes at zero. Income earned in Puerto Rico is exempt from U.S. taxes. Under Act 60, entrepreneurs can save with a 4% corporate tax rate. Investors and traders pay zero tax on capital gains, dividends, interest, and royalties. Yes, this includes crypto. With no passport needed, banking in US dollars, and only a couple of hours of travel time from Miami, Puerto Rico is an opportunity that is hard to pass up. Thank you for spending some time with us. Until next time.